Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the Audi R8 that we've been working on today. We'd just like to show you the installation that we've carried out. So what we've done on this particular vehicle is integrated a reversing camera into the virtual cockpit. So this is the rear camera gone into OEM location, really discreet. And we'll show you the image quality that you get as well. We'll just step into the vehicle. And as you can see, we've got the virtual cockpit here. And as we turn her on, so what we're going to do is just select reverse as though we normally do. And as you can see here, we've got guidelines which also move in line with the steering wheel. You've still got your PDC overlay as well, and also if you press and hold down the view button, you can also go to a full screen. So this is practically identical to the OEM system. Really smart, all carried out within one day. For any more details on this system, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. And we also do many other upgrades for the Audi R8. So if you check out on our other sister website called Cambridge Car Audio, we've also got a couple of audio systems there as well that are really popular on the R8. So this is an integrated reversing camera, an overall really special system. Just one more quick glimpse at the car. So thank you very much for watching this short video. Again, an Audi R8, we've integrated an aftermarket system which allows you to integrate a reversing camera up into the virtual cockpit, practically identical to the OEM style one. So thank you again for watching, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.